welcome back to Harmon Homestead. I'm in the kitchen and we are getting ready to make supper. It's noon here in central Alabama, but it's 98 degrees outside, so now's the time to cook. I would have cooked earlier, but I had to do animals, farm animals, and gardens and all that. So, trying to do it before the heat gets even worse this afternoon. So what I have here is one Cocozelle zucchini. That's what this is. It's gorgeous. He's ready. What I'm going to do is fillet him in strips to make lasagna noodles. So what I'm going to do is take the top and cut it off here. Like that. Now, we're going to give that to the chickens. You can see the inside. He's healthy. He looks good. Now, you can peel the outside. I've got a vegetable peeler here, or you can leave it be. What I'm going to do is do a swooping motion all the way down the zucchini like that. You can do thin little strips. If you've got a wider blade, you can do it just like this. Some people have attachments for their KitchenAids that will slice things like this. I don't mind if a little green is on there. I just don't want it completely green. So kind of like that. And what I'm going to do is peel the entire zucchini. Just loosely peel it here. Again, I don't mind if a little green is there. Super easy supper that we're going to cook with this lasagna. It's going to be kind of different. It's going to be kind of a country lasagna, but it's healthy, nutritious, and we have grown everything here but the sauce. So there's that. Take our peeling over here, and I have a casserole bowl that we're going to line this in. We're going to make lasagna noodles. So again, you can take your vegetable peeler and you can go down and you can layer strips like that. That's fine. Just like this in the bowl. Or you can take a knife and thinly go down the side. But to me, when I do that, they're just not thin enough. So I'm going to keep going with the vegetable peeler. As long as the texture's there. The taste. So just like that. Now next, I'm going to add some more ingredients. Now what I'm going to add is I have a pan here of deer meat that I have browned, and I'm going to put half of it down. Guys, this is no recipe I found anywhere. This is just what I'm doing, okay? You're going to see steam. I just took it off the stove. All right, like that, half. Next, this is my secret weapon for anything pasta I cook. I have 1 block of cream cheese cubed. What I'm going to do is take half of the cubes and put them all down in here. This makes pasta divine. Okay, next, I've got some minced garlic here that I am going to just kind of throw in here. Next, I have pasta sauce. We're going to put some pasta sauce all over this. Pretty liberally, guys. You want a good bit, and just kind of smooth it over everything there. This is going to be so good. Maybe a little bit more. Okay. Now, lastly, I'm going to put cheddar cheese on top. We're going to repeat this entire step, except the garlic. I'm not going to add any more garlic. So cheddar cheese there, a little bit. And let's go back to the zucchini. So I'm going to take it, and we're going to make strips all in here. So we are going to relayer the zucchini all through here. Guys, this is good stuff. Now the cream cheese and the cheddar cheese makes it really rich, but you could just omit that if you wanted to and just use the sauce. But it just makes it so good with that cream cheese. Oh. We just wanted something different tonight. I didn't even tell my husband while I was cooking. He just said, I want something different. Oh, there with the whole zucchini. We're getting to the end. Okay. All right, like that. Now, you could eat that. You could do whatever. I'm just not going to put it in there. Now, we're going to go all through this again. Let's do the ground deer meat. Put it over like that. Spread it over. I am going to add the rest of the cream cheese blocks here. Just kind of sporadically The smaller you cut them, the more it'll disperse. I just kind of do little chunks like that. Going to do the sauce. I'm going to use what's left. Okay. Just kind of spread that out evenly. And then you could add any seasoning you want. You might want to add a little oregano to it. We're going to finish it off with cheddar cheese. A pretty good bit, guys. So this will feed a family for a couple of nights because it's so rich. You'll want to eat just a small amount of it. Okay, I'm going to put this in the oven at 350 for at least 30 minutes. Just let your cheese melt, okay? That's what I do with this. 30 to 45 minutes, sometimes 45. Just make sure the cheese is kind of brown on top. Guys, this is so good. So this has been 45 minutes at 350, and I've got a wooden spoon. I'm going to try to cut into this to show you guys. Look at this. Lasagna. Amazing. So it's going to taste great tonight. You can see it all kind of melts together. It blends together. Guys, this is cheesy good goodness. We'll see you guys next time on Homestead.